It is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Good morning, I'm DeeDee. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click that subscribe button. For all the return subscribers, thank you so much. So we are currently in the kitchen cooking breakfast. Me and Adrian, we're just doing bacon, toast, and fruit for the kids because they don't eat eggs. My mama's upstairs with the kids, so I'll probably make me and her some eggs. And then we're gonna get our day started. Boy, you still grilling today?
Yep.
Adrian is gonna grill today. And I think we're gonna have some greens. I'm not sure what else. But yeah, it's just a good morning. I feel very refreshed, like I got some good sleep last night. I'm gonna finish cooking the bacon and then I'm going to probably make me some coffee. So let's go. Oh, when you have to do the beds.
Nah, just
Period. Cause I wanna be done. Oh, I could have did that.
you be trying to film. I don't know.
I was gonna do it. I was gonna tell you to slide the plates down here. Hello, Cali.
Good morning. Got braids and fades this morning. Ooh, get that.
So the grease had popped on my hand earlier because I cook my bacon in the oven. Adrian cooks his bacon on the stove. I feel like my bacon never come out right when I cook it on the stove. Anyways, I had burnt my wrist pretty bad like a few months ago with the fish. So anyways, once the bacon popped, Adrian told me to put these on. I had went and got like a little rubber glove. This is why I had these gloves on because I don't want to get popped with the grease again on my hand and it leave a scar like it did with my fish. I have to show it to y'all. Cam, good morning. Oh, girl, what you got?
Bacon.
Bacon. Where's my bacon?
What's there?
Can I have some?
Yeah.
No, I don't want any. I'm just playing. Hey.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Oh, no. Come here. What you hurt? Oh, you hurt your arm. Oh, Cali. Are you going to make it? Oh, Cali. Such a big girl. You're so brave. You know that? You feel better?
Yeah.
Did you get up fast?
And the winner is...
Oh, Cali. Cali was running and she wasn't supposed to be running and she fell. Then when I said it out loud, she was like, you wasn't even supposed to be running, Mama. Why was you running?
She was still a home baby.
You ready? Making coffee with
Cali.
Good job, Mama. Okay, so Mama's gonna turn it on, okay? I'll turn it on right here.
That mama would turn back to that. I didn't see.
Okay, so then we're gonna put the cup down. Okay. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Got the coffee. Good job, Cali. Close it. Good job. All right. Now, which one do Mama want? Mama want that one.
Okay.
The first one. Yep. It's coming, Cali. Ooh. You smell it? Smell good? Smell good? Ooh. Smell good. Okay. So now Mama's gonna take it off, okay? Because it's hot.
Okay.
So Cali's still not gonna touch it. Then we're gonna do creamer. You see the creamer?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put that in there. And then we're gonna watch it change colors. Don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
Mama gonna pour it. You ready? Oh, you pour it. I'm sorry. Let's pour it together, okay?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. Hold on. So we get the spoon.
Yeah.
Be careful. We're just gonna stir just a little bit to see it change colors. It changed colors. It changed colors. He can go ahead and put it on, Mama. It's not a big deal unless you already up. Hold on, Mama gotta put some sugar in it, okay?
Okay, let's go watch the movie.
Okay, we're gonna put sugar. So Mama put in the sugar, okay? And then we're gonna stir, 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 and then we're gonna taste it. Do you wanna taste it?
Yeah.
You do? Okay.
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 You ready? Mama gonna taste it for you. We gotta blow it.
Okay.
It's good. You want some?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Still hot.
My.
I said no.
The dad's no TV.
You can have some.
No.
She can have some.
I said no.
All right. Why you looking at Daddy? You better drink it.
Daddy,
You don't want
mommy.
Mm.
Daddy, why mommy?
It's good.
Daddy,
What's up?
Daddy,
Yeah.
why you mommy?
She said, why you
am I
mad at her?
you? I'm mad at you.
You know mommy?
I'm mad at mommy.
Why you mad at me? Callie said, why you mad at me?
I ain't mad at you. I'm mad at mom.
Thank you for helping me make coffee this morning. Here, look right here. Thank you for helping me make coffee this morning, Callie. You gonna say bye?
Bye.
You gotta sing your bye-bye song.
Bye, bye, friends. Bye, bye, friends. Please see you around soon. Bye, bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. It feels so good outside. What'd you say, boo? I don't know what you do. I thought you was gonna step back and hit the meat.
Nah.
It's so pretty outside. I thought it was hot out here, but it's not hot. It's hot. If I had to guess, maybe like 70 degrees. It's really nice. So I just came outside with Adrian while he put the meat on the grill. The kids in there. All you hear is footsteps running. I think they run upstairs, probably doing who knows what. And we're gonna put the meat on and then go back in the house and pick the greens. Alright, so the ribs are done. Boo about to cut them. I think we have the... Oh, you gonna cut one for me? The greens are in the pressure cooker. So yeah, he gonna cut a little sample piece of rib for me. Girl, I'm gonna get you some ice cream, okay? Okay. Is it hot? Not too hot. Okay. No, it's hot to me.
Probably, I'm in it.
It ain't what?
I'll just come bring it out here for a minute. Oh, Lord.
It ain't good to me. Mm-mm.
Give some mom to take a bite, too. You know, sometimes.
I'll take it to her and see what she thinks. I think it's good. See, Adrian doesn't eat pork, but these are pork ribs. So I be telling him all the time, I don't know how you cook something that you don't actually eat. Like how you know if you got the taste right or not, but I guess he just know. So you want me to take this piece to mama, see if she think it's tender enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the bean.
And he making some hot water cornbread. My man. Okay, I'm gonna take this stuff. You know what? I'm gonna get Cali ice cream first, and then I'm gonna... Oh, we got some up there? Daddy got your ice cream, Cali! Daddy got your ice cream! Let's see how tender these ribs
Right here,
are.
baby. Come here.
So Mama said she thought the ribs were good. She said the flavor was good. And she said she felt like the tenderness was fine.
I have some too.
You gonna get some?
Your mom right there close to it.
She stick her tongue out and she on it.
Nah, you're
You want me to break her off a piece that's already in there?
you're
Okay, these are the greens. I think I'm taking the thing off wrong, but whatever. I tasted them. They were very, very good. They got with that, and plus the ribs and the chicken. So I'm about to fix me a plate. Cam eating, Callie in the tub. Mama already ate, so I'm about to eat right quick. I look crazy. I ended up getting cold. That's why I got this jacket on. But yeah, I'm gonna fix me a plate. Okay, so I just got out of the bed. Lord got out the bed. I just got out of the shower. I didn't really do my skincare routine just because it's late and I'm tired, so I just put some Aquaphor on my face. But anyways, I just wanted to come on here real quick and say that it's the end of the vlog. I guess until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.